Unboxing and setting up the Canon PIXMA G3410 printer is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. In this guide, we will walk you through the unboxing and setup process to help you get your new printer up and running quickly. Step 1. Unboxing. When you receive your Canon PIXMA G3410 printer, carefully remove it from the packaging. The box should contain the following items: User Manual, Setup CD-ROM, Power Cord, Ink bottles, black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Canon PIXMA G3410 printer. Once you have all the items out of the box, place the printer on a flat surface near a power outlet. Installing ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge access door located on top of the printer. Wait for the ink carriage to move into position. Take out both ink cartridges from their packaging, being careful not to touch their electrical contacts or nozzles. Insert each cartridge into its corresponding slot, ensuring they click into place. Step 2. Installing ink bottles. Before you can start using your printer, you will need to install the ink bottles. Open the ink bottle compartment on the front of the printer and remove the caps from each bottle. Insert each bottle into its corresponding color slot, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Step 3. Powering on. Connect one end of the power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into a power outlet. Press the power button on the front of the printer to turn it on. The printer will go through an initialization process that may take a few minutes.